Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel Power Query vs Power Pivot full comparison. Follow along as I highlight core roles and show practical workflows to choose the right tool. I'll demonstrate common tasks, point out performance tips, and explain how data flows from query to pivot. Expect clear examples and simple rules to decide when to transform data, when to model it, and how to combine both for efficient reporting. In this video, I will compare Excel Power Query vs Power Pivot full comparison. Pay attention as I walk through how each tool treats data differently and why that matters for speed and scale. I'll show how Query handles messy sources and how Pivot uses relationships and DAX for aggregations. You'll get simple heuristics to pick the right tool for ETL, modeling, or combined workflows to streamline your reporting process. In this video, I will compare Excel Power Query vs Power Pivot full comparison. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty and enjoy lasting comfort while you crunch numbers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for that support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Excel Power Query vs Power Pivot full comparison. Stick with me as I outline clear scenarios for choosing query, pivot, or both together. I'll give practical examples like cleaning multiple CSVs with query, then building measures in pivot for aggregated dashboards. These workflows save time, prevent errors, and make refreshes predictable so you can deliver reliable reports faster and with less fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.